mind is where I found a new beginning. Teaching the silkworm to make my wish some fresh linen. Still spitting, head spinning like a cobra with his teeth missing. I ain't drinking what they're sipping. You can get the haterade edition piss, cause no one listens. We're all about green light, low emissions. Here's a new edition sent with no hesitation. All you see is flashing lights like interrogations. Bad presentation, every bar's a revelation. All dope samples hold a leaf reservation. Fuck with us like fornication. Ready to bust like a virgin on this penetration. Treat a sample like a mummy's preservation. You never have heart, you just racing. Need a machine to put the pace in. Never know who's got your back like a mason. Stick to tracks like the dog just pulled the sleigh in. Wow, wow. Burnt out connections, idiot infection. Cannabis collections for paranoid reflections. Took classes A through C in a dream. Woke up and found the knowledge in the porridgey stream. I'm an untrained animal. I built a dam out of the manual, but keep dropping it like my hands are full. Something's watching, but is it following? Case on the table, is it my name they're honouring? But keep manoeuvring. I keep it smoother than the average type hooligan. Didn't meet, but you knew my pet, or knew my friends. That's the high focus. Call the doctor, this shit is sick, better grow the dosage. Comatose kids when the flow kicks back. Girls pop them out so fast they get tit lash. Too many quit rap.